Imagine having the power to navigate through your thoughts, understanding every pathway and connection, and consciously directing your mind's focus. Welcome to the world of clarity and rationality. Today, we delve into the depths of our minds, exploring the hidden enclaves of thought, uncovering the structure that gives shape to our consciousness. Philosophy and psychology serve as our guides, their insights illuminating the way. We'll weave through the intricate networks of concepts that form the very fabric of our understanding. We'll engage in meta-thinking, an introspective journey into the nature of our thoughts, and delve into meta-rationalism, the art of comprehending beyond the surface. Each step we take, each concept we unravel, brings us closer to mastering the art of thinking, of achieving clarity amidst the chaos of our minds. So buckle up, for in our journey today, we will explore the fascinating landscape of our minds. The human mind is more than just a thinking machine. It is a conscious entity, capable of self-awareness and creation. As we journey through the labyrinth of consciousness, we discover a shift, a pivotal moment in evolution where we transition from being purely sentient beings to becoming conscious creators. Consider the work of Carl Jung, a Swiss psychiatrist who delved deep into the human psyche. He introduced the concept of archetypes, universal symbols that reside in our collective unconscious. These archetypes, such as the hero, the mother, or the trickster, are not merely abstract ideas but are powerful forces that shape our thoughts, our dreams, and our actions. We also have Julian Jaynes, an American psychologist known for his theory of the bicameral mind. Jaynes proposed that early humans had a divided brain, with one half speaking and the other listening, creating the illusion of an external voice or a god. Over time, humans evolved to integrate these two halves, leading to the emergence of introspective consciousness, the ability to think about thinking. And then, there's Hegel, a German philosopher who proposed the dialectical process, a method of understanding how our ideas evolve. According to Hegel, every idea or thesis encounters its opposite or antithesis, and out of their conflict arises a synthesis, a new idea that transcends and includes both the thesis and antithesis. This ongoing process of conflict and resolution is an integral part of our conscious evolution. These theories and concepts, while complex, provide us with a framework to understand our mind's capacity for self-awareness and creation. They reveal how consciousness is not a static state but a dynamic, evolving process, shaped by our collective experiences and individual perceptions. As we delve deeper into consciousness, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of philosophy and phenomenology. Our experiences shape our reality, but what shapes our experiences? This question leads us into the profound landscape of philosophy and phenomenology. Phenomenology, the study of structures of consciousness as experienced from the first-person point of view, plays a crucial role in our conscious awareness. It is through our individual experiences that we perceive and interact with the world around us. Each experience, each sensation, each thought, contributes to our understanding of reality. Now let's dive into the realm of existential philosophy. This branch of philosophy emphasizes individual existence, freedom, and choice. It posits that we, as conscious beings, are responsible for the meaning and quality of our own lives. This belief underscores the profound importance of personal responsibility in shaping our reality. Let's consider the works of Friedrich Nietzsche and Jean-Paul Sartre, two prominent existential philosophers. Nietzsche proposed the idea of will to power, suggesting that individuals must assert their own values and create their own meaning. Meanwhile, Sartre famously declared, "Existence precedes essence," emphasizing that we are first thrown into the world and then define our purpose within it. Such existentialist theories encourage us to confront the fundamental questions of life, inspiring introspection and self-reflection. They remind us that we are the authors of our own narratives, the sculptors of our own realities. Another intriguing concept within this philosophical sphere is Edmund Husserl's epic, or bracketing. This process involves suspending our judgments about the natural world to better understand the structures of our consciousness. It's an invitation to step back, to observe our thoughts and experiences without prejudice, and to approach our conscious awareness with newfound clarity. As we navigate the labyrinth of our minds, we must remember that we are not merely passive spectators of our experiences. We are active participants, constantly interpreting, evaluating, and responding to our environment. To truly understand our minds, we must learn to think about thinking. Welcome to the realm of meta-thinking and concept networking. Scene script, can you think about thinking? This is meta-thinking. To truly master our minds, we must venture into the realm of meta-thinking, an introspective cognitive process that allows us to examine our own thought patterns. It's like lifting the hood of a car to understand how the engine works. This self-reflective form of thinking enables us to identify our biases, assumptions, and the underlying structures that shape our thoughts and beliefs. In essence, meta-thinking is a tool for self-awareness, a compass that guides us through the labyrinth of our minds. It's not just about knowing what we think, but understanding why we think the way we do. But how do we cultivate this skill? A good starting point is to practice mindfulness, paying attention to our thoughts as they arise, without judgment or reaction. This helps us to observe our thinking patterns, and over time we start to recognize recurring themes, biases, and blind spots. Now let's consider concept networking. This is the process of connecting diverse ideas to form a holistic understanding. Imagine your mind as a vast network, with each node representing a concept or idea. As we learn and experience, we form connections between these nodes, creating a complex web of interlinked ideas. For example, understanding the concept of freedom might involve linking it to ideas of responsibility, rights, democracy, and autonomy. This network of ideas gives depth and nuance to our understanding, allowing us to see the concept from different angles and in various contexts. To practice concept networking, we can start by mapping out our ideas visually. Write down a concept, then brainstorm related ideas and see how they connect. Over time, this exercise can help us to think more holistically and creatively, fostering a deeper understanding of complex concepts. Meta-thinking and concept networking are like two sides of a coin. While meta-thinking helps us to understand our thought processes, concept networking allows us to connect diverse ideas for a more holistic understanding. Both are essential tools for mastering clarity and rationality. Once we master our thoughts, we unlock the power of choice and creation. Every choice we make shapes our reality and collectively, the reality of our society. We've journeyed through the depths of consciousness, traversed the landscapes of philosophy and phenomenology, and explored the intricacies of meta-thinking and concept networking. But what does it all lead to? The answer, my friends, is the power of choice and creation. Each decision we make, every thought we entertain, is a ripple in the vast ocean of creation. Even the smallest pebble can create waves that reach far and wide. So too do our choices echo throughout the tapestry of our lives and the world around us. When we make conscious choices, we become the architects of our own destiny, drawing up blueprints for a future that aligns with our deepest values and aspirations. Consider the tale of a young woman, born into poverty and hardship. Through conscious decision-making, she rose above her circumstances, choosing education over ignorance, perseverance over surrender. Today she is a renowned scientist, her life a testament to the transformative power of choice. Or the story of a man, ensnared in the clutches of addiction. He chose recovery over despair, healing over self-destruction. Now, he is a beacon of hope for others, showing that change is possible when we choose it. These are not mere anecdotes, but real-life examples of individuals who have harnessed the power of conscious decision-making to shape their destiny. On a grander scale, our collective choices steer the course of societal evolution. When we choose peace over conflict, compassion over indifference, and sustainability over exploitation, we are not just making individual choices. We are influencing the trajectory of our society, crafting a shared future that reflects our collective values and aspirations. Our journey into the mind is just beginning. It's time to take the first step. Remember, every choice matters. Each decision, no matter how small, is a thread in the fabric of creation. Weave with intention, and let's create a tapestry that reflects our highest potential. We've explored consciousness, philosophy, meta-thinking, and the power of choice. But the journey doesn't end here. We've delved into the depths of our psyche, seen through the lens of the world's greatest thinkers, and unearthed the power of conscious decision-making. Consciousness isn't merely about existing, it's about being awake, aware, and actively participating in the grand theater of life. Philosophy isn't just a field of study, it's a way of perceiving and understanding the world around us. Meta-thinking, the art of thinking about thinking, is not an abstract concept but a practical tool to navigate our mental landscape. And the power of choice, well, it's the ink with which we write our life story. Now it's your turn. Embark on this journey of self-discovery. Read the works of philosophers, practice meta-thinking exercises, and most importantly, make conscious choices. The mind is a vast landscape waiting to be discovered. Dive in, explore, and shape your reality. The power is in your hands.